Hey there, Kyle here with Maple Systems. Today, I'm going to be showing you one of our mini fanless industrial box PCs, the IPC2110A. Let's take a look. Okay, let's open the box. The first thing you'll see is the warranty along with the product brochure. And inside the box, there is an input power cable, which is included, but you'll need to purchase a separate power supply. There is also a 12 to 24 volt DC to DC power converter. I'll open this box and show you. Here's a DC to DC converter. Put that aside. There's also 4 rubber feet with mounting screws, which are for the VESA mounting bracket. The feet are for the actual IPC. This also comes with a DIN rail adapter. This is for the DC to DC converter, along with some screws. And then there's, of course, the IPC2110A, which is wrapped in anti-static. Here's the IPC. And then underneath the IPC is the VESA mounting bracket, which is also wrapped in plastic. All right, here is the IPC2110A. It is a mini and fanless industrial box PC. It has front I/O and it also has rear I/O. The front I/O includes a power button, 4 DE9 serial ports, 2 USB 2.0 host ports, and 2 USB 3.0 host ports. The rear I/O includes optional antenna fixtures for optional Wi-Fi, and there is a 3.5mm mic in port, a 3.5mm headphone out port, 2 USB 3.0 host ports, 2 RJ45 Ethernet ports. There is a HDMI out port and a display port output. And then lastly, there's 12 volt DC power input. On the bottom of the IPC, you can see the model name and the serial number. Then above that, there is a code. This is your basic build number. So in case you want to reorder this IPC, you will include the model name and then you'll include that build number for basic build. And when you buy this PC, you have the option of purchasing it with an embedded or non-embedded Windows license. So in this image, this unit has an embedded Windows license, meaning the product key is embedded and activated for you at our facility before it leaves Maple Systems, so it's plug and play. You can also purchase the non-embedded version, meaning the Windows license is not activated. So in this image, you can see where we place the activation sticker or product key on the back of the PC. So you just need to scratch off the code and complete the activation yourself. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share another video showing you how to activate a Windows license. You also have the option of getting this IPC with Linux preloaded instead of Windows. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is how you would power on your IPC. So I have a 24 volt DC power supply going into the DC-DC converter. It's converting the 24 volts into 12 volts, and then it's outputting to the IPC. And then I have an HDMI going out into a monitor 6000. This is our 15-inch model, and it's going to display the Windows program from the IPC. So now I'm just going to turn on my power supply. And the IPC will boot up as well as the monitor. You'll see the Windows logo. And then the user welcome screen. And there it is. Well, that's all for today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial box PC line, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.